Meaning of Formica.
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 Formica. Formica is a word that refers to a type of laminated composite material made by layering sheets of paper or fabric with resin and then compressing them under high pressure. The result is a hard, durable, and heat-resistant material that can be used for a variety of purposes, including countertops, flooring, and furniture. Formica was first developed in the early 20th century and quickly became popular due to its affordability and versatility. Today, it remains a common choice for home and commercial construction projects due to its durability and ease of maintenance.